What else was a driving factor for picking this house?
The homeowner wanted the golf course at any cost.
Hi, I'm Caroline Gow in the Baird & Warner Glenbrook office, and I'm pleased to present episode 5 of Renovations Revealed. And today we're going to take a look at an amazing transformation and we have the general contractor here, which is a nice treat. So Alyssa has been willing to show us through this house and how we've gotten to this point. So thank you for showing us around today.
My pleasure. I love to show my work.
Yeah.
To anybody who will listen.
So for this client, the driving factor, get it, was really the golf course, right? Because we're facing east here, and we've got an amazing golf course view, which is obviously unique and special. So what else was a driving factor for picking this house?
The homeowner wanted the golf course at any cost. Well, not any, but I don't mean financial cost. She wanted the golf course, and she's, okay, just make this work for me. And that was the only factor, was the golf course.
So what was your inspiration for the project?
The golf course.
Okay.
to put all the view, all the activity, all the family living, everything that they were going to be doing towards the back of the house. All the entertaining, living, viewing, everything. Everything that happens in the family pretty much happens in the back of the house.
So are you the designer as well? Or
yes.
What did you use for some recent inspiration?
Well, I've been doing this a long time. So when I came in and saw the house, and you were there, and so really everybody thinks you can do all these different things with houses. But the house kind of tells you what can be done, and the house told me what could be done. And I only saw this one configuration. So it wasn't so much inspiration, it was just, here's the house, this is what they want, and this is what has to be done. So this was just a very small 6-foot sliding door. That was it. That's all you saw. And then over here was a wall, and this was open. And so to get into the den, you went through this small hallway because this...
That was the powder room.
What, the powder room, and this was the laundry room. So it took up most of the space. Most of the space here, yeah. And then this
is just amazing. Look at, it just doesn't feel like the same house. It's bright and airy and open, feels so much bigger. So tell me, this used to be the eat-in kitchen. So is this wall the same?
Yes.
And then you added these nice cabinets?
Yes, yes. So this wall was always here, and you always had the tray ceiling here. And we continued it because of the laundry room. So we continued that, and then we put in like this. This is here for entertaining because the whole back of the house, whether it's here or here, opens up to entertaining. So here's all the outdoor stuff, all the glasses, the grilling, the margaritas, everything is in here for outside. See, just ready to go, take it out. Mm-hmm. Here's the bar, ready to go, take it out. So that's what this is for.
What kind of counters are these?
Those are quartz.
Quartz. And then you've got this nice double sink, dishwasher here, tons of cabinets. Can I open this?
Yeah, sure, tons.
So
tons of storage here.
Pull out drawers.
This is.
How many patio doors did you install?
Oh, let's see, here's one set. They're a special series. So this is a set of patio doors. This is a side light here, and there's 2 side lights here, and those are immobile, 2 side lights. So there's really 1, 2, 3 sets of patio doors, really, and these are fixed panels. And then this, we did this so they can grill and it's kind of, so you can see what I mean. It's set up for total entertaining and easy to go. Yeah, so now here, this used to be the living room. And it's now a powder room.
Okay. And then moving on to this is the dining room now.
So the reason we got rid of the living room is because no one uses it.
Uh-huh.
No one really uses the dining room much either, but you can use the dining room more than you use the living room.
So this is versatile for big entertaining gatherings. You could have that there.
The holiday dinners, which she can certainly put a lot of people in here. And then for entertaining.
So you knocked into the garage to expand the mudroom. So instead of the laundry room being over here, you made a mudroom here?
I made a mudroom here. I'll turn on the light. There wasn't a mudroom. You don't want to go around the back of the house when you have kids full of snow and stuff, so that was kind of useless. So
back here in the family room, what did you do to this fireplace? It looks different.
So I wanted a wood look, but this is porcelain tile.
Oh, okay, wow.
Because you can't put wood on a fireplace.
Sure.
They're burnt. So this is porcelain tile, and that was, that was a young, fresh look, that I tried to pull through on the whole house.
What challenges did you face with this project?
The challenges were...
Well, you were working on this project during COVID, so...
That was a huge challenge. I thought I was going to get COVID because there were so many people working in this house. Some of them believed in COVID, some didn't. Some did not want to wear masks, but we insisted. Most weren't vaccinated, some were. And then, of course, it was done in the winter, so there were no windows here. And the house was, we're working literally in a snowstorm. I've got pictures of it. It's 42 degrees in the house. It was a challenge. Okay.
So what would your homeowners say is their favorite room in the new house?
The kitchen.
Absolutely. Okay. Yeah, because it's got this amazing island, nice shaker cabinets, it's bright and open.
It has a ton of storage. A ton. Because we weren't able, there just wasn't the space to make a walk-in pantry. Or they just didn't have the space to do much of anything. So that's why it really, really holds a lot. I mean, it's not even close to filled.
And if you were to do something differently, what would that be?
Here, nothing.
No? So you're happy with how everything turned out?
Yeah.
So if you were a homeowner who's thinking about doing a renovation, do you have any pro tips that you can share with us?
The biggest tip is to have a real good flow, a real good floor plan. And then once you have your floor plan, a flowing, good, workable floor plan, you can do anything from there. It's all about the floor plan. Just get the floor plan down. If you have to take years to do it, it doesn't matter. You can go room by room by room. But what you can't go back and do is change an unworkable floor plan, which is what I see in almost every house I go into.
So this has been an amazing transformation. I just love, especially the view with all the doors. It's so bright in here. It's just amazing that you could expand the space without having to add an addition there. So thank you so much for showing us.
It's been my pleasure. Thank you for working with her and being her real estate agent. And it just goes to show, floor plan's everything, not square footage.
Yes, square footage, that's a good point because, a lot of times it's what can you do with the space. And some rooms, if you can lay them out with a good design plan or good flow, it makes up for the space.
You can do everything with a good floor plan.
And you can't change the location, so that's important.
That's hugely important, yes. Yeah, you've been very nice to work with.
Thank you.
Very nice.
And thanks for having us in this beautiful place.
Oh, my pleasure.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Caroline Gao. Every Tuesday we post new content of local businesses, renovation projects, and market updates to keep you in the know in Northbrook. Bye for now.